Drones are getting pretty popular these days. I mean, who doesn't love to have them? But when it comes to pricing and budget, it's like...
Wow!
So in these situations when you can't spend a whole lot of money in buying a single drone, you can go with some budget drones, and this is the best budget smartphone drone that you can buy under the price of Rs 2500. Starting with the unboxing of this drone, first you get a manual which gives all the information about features and specification of this drone. On the front page you get the name of the drone, so it's called 8807 Foldable UAV. And for those who are thinking what's UAV, it's Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. Here you get a page which tells you how you can connect your drone with your smartphone, and it's compatible with both iOS and Android. Inside the box you get the drone itself, so it's a foldable RC drone and you can say it's a clone to the DJI Mavic Pro. You also get a remote control which is having a lot of buttons, and it's powered by 4 AA batteries. For accessories we have 4 wing protectors, 4 extra wings and a charger and a screwdriver. So enough of review, and let's start with the flying of this drone. So after this unsuccessful experiment, let's have a look on some of the features of the drone. The buttons on the right side of the remote are for tuning your drone in the 4 directions. Tuning basically means that when you are flying a drone in a windy zone, you can tune it in the opposite direction of the wind so it does not move along with the wind. For example, if the drone is drifting right, I will press the left tune button to keep it in the center. The left button on the top is to start the drone, and long pressing it will enable and disable drone lights. Pressing the right button on the top will make drone do a 3D roll in the moving direction. All the buttons on the left side of the remote are for different purposes. The first one is for 3D roll forward, second is for headless mode, third is a key to return, and fourth is for auto land. Now in case you don't know what's headless mode, let me explain it to you. Suppose the forward button is taking the drone in north direction and then you activate the headless mode. Now you rotate the drone 360 on the axis and it's facing south direction, but the forward button will still take the drone in the north direction only. There are also 2 buttons for photo and video on the remote control itself. The left and right joystick are also having buttons in it. Pressing the left joystick will change the power delivery of the drone. There are 3 power modes which are 30%, 60% and 100%. The right joystick is the button for emergency stop. So this is the mobile application which you need to install to control your drone from the smartphone. You can find the link to this application in the description below. Moving towards the mobile application interface, it's quite nice. You also get a game to play in it. The drone has an inbuilt Wi-Fi which you need to connect to your smartphone, and then you can control your drone using your smartphone. You get all the features that are in the remote in this mobile application. The photo and video recorded from the drone are saved in this application only. While filming the drone, we got some pretty cool shots, and I think you should have a look on them.
If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away.
So these were all good things about the drone, and now let's move to the bad ones. The first thing I didn't like about this drone is the camera quality. The photo and video taken from this drone is quite noisy. I mean, you can't even see what the drone has captured. I can't show you the photo taken from the drone because I was trying to fix the camera and accidentally broke it. Next bad thing about this drone is that it doesn't have any onboard storage. So every time you want to capture a video, you have to connect it to your mobile phone and then record it. The key to return feature didn't work pretty well. The drone came back to the controller but doesn't stop and goes behind the operator. The last thing I didn't like about this drone is that it's not animal friendly.
अरे मत कर मत कर मत कर मत भाई भाई उधर ले जा इधर मत ला बस तू बस मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ भाई अब लग गई है मेरी
So that's for today guys. Thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you love it, and share if you feel it.